Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy. I'm a Virginia defense attorney. For possession of marijuana cases, a common thing that I hear is that the marijuana wasn't mine. I've heard this in court. I hear this when I talk to people on the phone about their case. A lot of people are hung up on the idea that they didn't actually own the marijuana, so they think therefore they have a defense to the case. The problem with that argument is that Virginia law actually criminalizes possessing marijuana. It does not criminalize owning marijuana in that respect. You can't own it because you can't possess it. But the key thing is, all the Commonwealth has to prove is that you were in possession of it. They don't have to prove who the legal owner was, so to speak. A good analogy is a car. I own my car. I have the title to it, and it's my car. But I could loan my car to you, and you would be in possession of my car. Or we could, several people could all fit in my car together, and in a way, we're all in possession of the vehicle. We're all, sitting in the vehicle and touching it. So it's very similar with marijuana. To continue with the car, if there's several people in the car with marijuana and everybody's smoking the marijuana, it's actually pretty clearly a case where everybody is in possession of the marijuana, even though maybe one person bought it and brought it to the car. Everybody could be found guilty of possession of marijuana. Now, that's not to say that you would be found guilty. There's a lot of pieces the Commonwealth has to prove. That's just, all I'm trying to point out is they don't have to prove that you actually owned the marijuana. And that really is not going to be a defense to argue that you didn't own it. Now, if you can argue that you had no idea there was marijuana or that you didn't have any control over the marijuana, then we may have a real argument on your case. But arguing that who owned it isn't really going to get us anywhere, unfortunately.